the fourth question. Okay, let's go to answer the first question.
What's your name?
My name is John Claro. I remember that the connection to internet is so slowly. Question number 2.
How do you spell your family name?
Okay, C-R-A-R-O. I remember that the connection to internet is so bad. Wait.
Where are you from?
I'm from a beautiful town, La Playa Belén, norte de Santander. Okay, let's go to the question number 4.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
Well, at the moment, I'm starting to. Question number 5.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
Well, it's interesting to know other countries, to learn about other culture, gastronomy, economy. Okay. Question number 6.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
Well, in my free time, I read books, play soccer, share time with my wife and my son, and was question number 7 of it.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
I think that is different way. For example, watch TV in English, movies, videos, listen music, read books, practice with other people about language English. At last, number 8. Number 8. Okay.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
Well, I think that I would like learn to play guitar, play soccer like professional and dancing like professional too. Well, dear teacher and classmate, this is all for today. See you in the next video.